Shantanu Pandey. I am legal internet lecturer and company. Today I am going to talk about the Civil Procedure Code is a legal framework that governs the procedure aspect of the civil cases in a particular jurisdiction. It provides the guidelines and rules that regulate the conduct of a civil proceeding, ensure a fair and efficient resolution of civil dispute. The CPC is designated to maintain uniformity and consistency in civil proceeding and promote access to justice. An overview to CPC typically includes the following key aspects. Purpose of scope. The CPC outlined the object of principle of civil procedure, emphasizes the fair and impartial administration of justice. It defines the scope of its application, specific types and cases, and code it cover. Structure and organization. The CPC is organized into different sections or chapters, each dealing with the specific procedure aspect of civil cases. It typically cover topics such as jurisdiction, commencement of proceeding, pleading, evidence, trial, appeal, and execution of decree. Jurisdiction. The CPC provides rules for determining the jurisdiction of the court in civil cases. It defines the territorial jurisdiction, pecuniary jurisdiction, and these rules will help to determine the appropriate court to hear and decide a particular civil case. Commencement of proceeding. The CPC lays down the procedure for initiating civil proceeding. It specifies the requirement for filing a plaint or written statement, the plaint or the payment of the court fee, and the process of issuing summons to the parties involving in the case. These provisions ensure the proper initiation of the civil suit and provide notice to the defendant. Pleading and case management. The CPC set out the rule for framing and filing of pleading, including the plaint, written statement, and subsequent filing. It emphasizes the importance of covering and providing clear and concise statement of the fact and issues. The CPC also covers the management aspects such as the joinder of parties, amendment of pleading, and discovery and inspection of document, evidence, and trial. The CPC governs the rules of procedure related to the presentation of examination of evidence in civil cases. It provides the guidelines for the examination and cross-examination of witness, production and admissibility of the document, and burden of proof. The CPC also addresses the role of the court in managing the conduct of trial and proceeding. Overall, the CPC play a crucial role in guiding and conduct of civil cases, ensuring fairness, efficiency, and adherence to legal principle in the resolution of civil dispute. Thank you. For any other doubt, let us know through comments.